Good morning, guys. I don't know. It's a girl MELICASKYLIFE in the building. Guys, it's around 5:30 now. Heading to Trelawney today. I'm doing a 5K. A 5K or 4K? 4K. We're doing a 4K today. I'm so excited. My first time doing a 4K. In association with Jamaica National and Usain Bolt. So today it's gonna be lit. So I'm actually ready. No matter wonder why I'm in a glasses 5:30 in the morning. Oh, that's a mistake. So we're gonna leave out some fuel and I'll be taking you guys on the road today. Yeah. Okay guys, we're about to leave the location. One thing to touch on. I've always wanted to do something to give back, and this is a great way. Giving back is just so important. It's just so important to me. I believe so when I give sometime, I get it back, you not to know. You not to realize that if I get back, you understand? So that's what we're doing now. We're waiting.
What's my friend number? Yo, drives.
Straight for the vlog. Skylife TV. We're about to get our number. We're at the location. Tell me, come and feel like my shirt not stay good.
It's a race left way.
What drive for them? That's a team. He's new to the vlog. That's Jeremy. I want them to warm up.
No.
At what time?
It's 7 o'clock. Start the race will start.
Alright.
Okay, runners, your event started. Walkers, you're going in 2.5 minutes. And walkers, I beg you a favor. Walk, no run.
Me didn't run.
Like my running.
When I take a walk serious, you have your pumpy. Auntie. Eh? I come like them people are going to tell. Woo! That's some of the excitement. Come like a pool party after the Jamaica. So guys, how they about? I don't even know how far in with it. How long are we walking? Did it set a time? Did it see what time we leave out? Shoot, I didn't check the time. But we are hustling now. We're just reaching. Almost steal it from our last minute, you know. I laugh for the last one, serious. Try to find the associate there now. And thing. God, this is a full day of workout. I don't need to work out tomorrow. I work out. You work out Tuesday and rest tomorrow. I call my peeps them guys. Peeps them mash up. How much you come? How much you come? How much you come? Colors make you win. Hey, driver, the last minute. Hey, the last minute we say shall put into Olympic to it. Yeah, Tamika, I'm a this.
I let him just went for it. Why people can't see him?
Guys, how are you? Team, tired, boss, match up. I want to get water. Want to get water? Not even water, I'm so focused. no, like that, or whatever. Jamaica, everybody, give away. They seem real like there. You want to be married? Oh, Jamaica! Just
right now. Same tune a while ago. Yeah, ready now, ladies. Together. Ready now.
Think I'm gonna give them no breathing space.
Ready.
And guess what? Chicken up there. And guess what? Yes, them up.
Put your hands up in the sky. Nobody loves me the way you do. Let us make some noise.
Kevin Dunn was one of my favorite gospel artists.
Somebody shout hallelujah. Somebody shout hallelujah. So I know you just don't run.
Hallelujah.
I know some of you guys tired. But can you help me just for a few minutes? Move. So tell the neighbor to give me a room, please.
So me say, like me the ask him,
Run it, DJ. Tell the neighbor give me some room. Give me some room.
Please remember to give this video a thumbs up, hit that subscription button, definitely show the love, leave a comment below. I really want to hear from you.
All right, let me set some words out.
Set me up. The going gets love. Jesus, I've got Jesus. And that's enough for Lord. Isn't that enough? You take my picture. Guys, this concludes the vlog. I came in 167 out of well over 2,000 people, so that's very good. I'm pretty tired now, pretty beat. So we'll head back to Montego Bay now. Thanks for stopping by Skylife TV on this journey on becoming the best version of it feels so good giving back, doing this. It feels good.
1343. Give them all a round of applause, ladies and gentlemen.
So, how much people run overall?
And the winner,
I can't 400 driver. Cost my number here 1,900 and something.
Where you from?
may I get the Anna? May I get the
Five, come.
May I say,
I'm not people.
give me a piece of pine. Pineapple in there? A pine that?
Finish. Give me a call if you want food.
And so AO Brave the winner is coming to make
That's
the
it. Later, guys.
presentation to